Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Yes, the full name of PM Modi is Narendra Damodar Das Modi, born 17th of September 1950. Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the MP for Varanasi. He is a member of the BJP, that is Bharatiya Janata Party, and RSS, that is Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. Modi is the longest serving Prime Minister from outside the Congress. Modi was born and raised in Vadnagar in northeastern Gujarat, where he completed his secondary education. He joined RSS at the age of 8 and used to help his father in selling tea at the Vadnagar railway station. At age 18, he was married to Jashodaben Modi, whom he abandoned soon after. Modi became a full-time worker for the RSS in Gujarat in 1971. The RSS assigned him to the BJP in 1985 and he held several positions within the party hierarchy, rising to the rank of General Secretary. His act of managing 2002 Gujarat riots is considered unlawful. A special investigation team appointed by Supreme Court of India in 2012 found no evidence to initiate prosecution proceedings against him. Modi's administration was criticized for failing to improve health, poverty and education indices in the Gujarat. In 2014 Indian general elections, Modi led the BJP to a parliamentary majority. Modi's administration launched the 2019 Balakot airstrike against an terrorist training camp in Pakistan. In Modi's second term, his administration revoked the special status of Jammu and Kashmir and introduced CAA, that is Citizenship Amendment Act, which led to 2020 Delhi riots. 3 controversial farm laws introduced by Modi government led to protest by farmers across the country, eventually causing their cancellation. Damodar Mulchand was the father of Narendra Modi and Hiraben Modi was the mother of our Prime Minister. His teachers described him as an average student but a gifted debater. At the time of marriage, Narendra Modi was 18 and Jashodaben was just 17. Modi kept his marriage a secret for a very long period of time because he wouldn't have been able to become a pracharak in the RSS. In interviews, he has described visiting Hindu ashrams founded by Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda has had a large influence in Modi's life. In early 1970s, he lived with his uncle and worked in his uncle's canteen. Modi's first known political activity as an adult was in 1971 when he joined a Jan Sangh Satyagraha in Delhi led by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. In 1978, Modi received a BA degree in political science from SOL at Delhi University. In 1983, he received MA degree in political science from Gujarat University. There is a controversy about the authenticity of his BA and MA degrees. Modi wrote a Gujarati language book titled Sangharsh Ma Gujarat, which describes events during the emergency. After Lal Krishna Advani, Modi became president of the BJP in 1986. Modi took a brief break from politics in 1992 to establish a school in Ahmedabad. As Gujarat Chief Minister, Modi favored privatization, which was against with the philosophy of RSS. In September 2013, Modi was named the BJP's candidate for Prime Minister ahead of the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. In the general election of 2014, Modi was a candidate for the Lok Sabha constituencies Varanasi and Vadodara. He won in both constituencies, defeating Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal in Varanasi and Madhusudan Mistry of the Congress in Vadodara. In 2016, the opposition leader Rahul Gandhi alleged that Modi received cash bribes worth 65 crore rupees from Sahara Group and Aditya Birla Group. On 6 December 2020, he became the 4th longest serving Prime Minister of India. Modi administration tried to attract foreign investment in the Indian economy with the use of slogans such as Make in India and Digital India. India's relationship with the United States improved after Narendra Modi became PM. Modi promised to be tough on Pakistan during his election campaign and repeatedly called Pakistan an exporter of terrorism. Modi is a vegetarian and teetotaler who has a simple lifestyle and is a workaholic. Modi has been called a fashion icon for a suit with his name repeatedly embroidered, which he wore during a state visit by US President Barack Obama, which drew public and media attention and criticism. Modi Kaka Ka Gaon, a 2017 Indian Hindi language drama film by Tushar Goyal, is the first biopic about Narendra Modi. Modi appeared in an episode of Discovery Channel's show Man vs. Wild with the host Bear Grylls. After becoming the Prime Minister, he authored a book called Exam Warriors. Modi has written 8 other books, mostly containing short stories for children. So guys, that's all for today's video lesson. If you want me to cover the biographies of other famous personalities, comment below. My name is Ajay. I thank you so much for watching.